Buddha was the super scientist. He discovered string theory. He discovered law of dependent origination long before. Buddha, merely by his observation from his meditation techniques, by feeling the sensation of the body and mind, discovered these concepts. And everyone who is discovering some scientific phenomena, we discover all we have inside because the knowledge all is within. Whatever equation we form, whatever theory we make, it's all come from inside. Buddha, when meditating, Buddha was, when discovering the truth, ultimate truth, he discovered these things merely from his observation. No, there was no laboratory at that time, no experiments, no physical instrument, but from his observation, from his insight, he discovered all these things. Law of dependent origination. That's why I call Buddha was the first spiritual scientist. Ultimately, he want to know the reality, what the reality is. And according to string theory, what does the string theory means? String theory means that everything is made up of strings. When these strings, even some atomic particles, these particles that we see as a solid, we perceive as a solid, these particles are not solid. These particles are made up of strings vibrating. When these strings vibrate, twist, then different kind of things form, like gravitational force or electromagnetism. So whatever we appear, that thing appear to be solid is not actually solid, because it these these energies, these particles are going so fast that they give the appearance of solid, but they are not solid, they are impermanent, they are temporary. And the same is the law of dependent origination, that everything depends on everything, no one is independent. Law of dependent origination, that whatever is happening in this world, there is some cause, the effect is coming because there is cause. And if we see the cause, if we correct the cause, then effect will be right. So whatever we are seeing in this world, the evil, the greed, the corruption, the terrorism, there is a cause, that people are having corrupted consciousness. Why this corrupted consciousness? Because we have ignorance. We see things, we see things from wrong knowledge, wrong perspective. Because the sensation that comes, we are ignorant to these sensation. When we see this sensation correctly, when we observe these sensation, at that time, the moment they arise, then we seize the cause. Then we seize the cause, the effect will never be the evil, the effect will be good. So Buddha, the first scientist who discovered basic laws, the ultimate reality of the nature through string theory, and the cause of suffering, that is ignorance. And everything is depend on, each thing depending, everyone is fulfilling his goal. The sun is giving light to plants. Plants, through the process of photosynthesis, making food, and through food, humans getting energy. There is a cycle of dependency, physical dependency. I'm not talking about psychological dependency. At last, those who are interested, who are passionate about spirituality, I'm making a course on meditation, because meditation is important, because it's meditation gives you some insight to see things clearly without any confusion. If you are interested in meditation, I am making a course on meditation. If you are interested, you can join this course. The number over the screen is given. You can WhatsApp me. Thank you very much.